Yeah, I don't see any leak. That's good. Well, I am amazed. Huh. What I got here is my thermostat housing for my G23vtec, and I'm gonna attempt to put one of these -16 AN fitting. Well, the problem is, well, not much of a problem. Earlier it was, is how am I gonna try to fit this onto this. I measured this thing and it's only about 30,000 difference. This is bigger than this one, the diameter of this for the housing. So anyway, all I did is to since there's only like 30,000 much of a difference, I found something again, jerry-rigged this thing. I just saw whatever I could scrounge in my hardware here, and this used to be a stud for the forward engine mounts. You know, I just got a bunch of bolts in it and tried to center it and put a nut behind it like so. Then I just tighten it. I was just demonstrating to you guys how I did one earlier. I didn't thought about it that I was gonna block this, and then I tightened this one, then put it in your motor like so. Turn on the motor and just held my file on that flange right there till I was satisfied and it fits on this housing on the neck. And this is what I have right here. It's a very tight fit. And also I chamfered this area right here just for the make a free flow for the water. Right there. I just chamfered it. This one. So now I am going to attempt to weld this thing. Okay, now we can go ahead and take it to my welding shop. Well, I still have a lot of things to do, clean up things to do on my welding bench area over there, so I'm gonna do it outside. And just to give you guys an update, and this is how far I have gotten to Miley. And I'm gonna remove all the wiring for the headlights and the turn signals, both sides, and I'm gonna wait till I paint the engine bay and then rewire it out here. I ordered my paint, but so far it's been 3 days and 4 days, up to 4 days now, and it hasn't showed up. The clear coat showed up though. Yeah, I ordered a clear coat and it's already here. So I couldn't do anything without, you know, without the paint. So, but on the other side, on the inside, I already got the brake pedal all set up. So once I get this thing painted, I'll just go ahead and put the clutch and everything, and hopefully I'll be able to put the motor on there. So in the meantime, I'm just doing whatever little things I could do. And I'm gonna clean it up with some acetone. I am not a welder, by the way, okay? So I'm still learning, especially aluminum. Well, even stainless steel, I don't know, I can't weld. But for my project, it'll do just fine. You know, I have no problem with it. It saves me a lot of money. And this is what I'm gonna use, my Eastwood 200. Okay, And let me get set up here, and I'm gonna try to weld this thing. Pedal, AC. Alright. Yeah, kind of gooped that one. But again, like I said, I'm not really a welder. I just do I do okay on my small little project. I don't have to pay someone to do this. Alright, hopefully it doesn't leak. I'm gonna put some water on it once it gets cold, and that's just about it. You know, this is for my thermostat fan sensor. I thought about using a case series intake manifold. I know I've been looking up on the internet, and the sensor is almost hitting the throttle body. So I thought about maybe cut this off and face it the other way around, like face it on top, so the sensor will be coming from here, right at the top. But that's coming up next. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna try to get Miley running first, then that'll be next. Plus the intake manifold that I wanted, the ultra race, is not in stock, and I've checked all the website and all the stores, and I think there's like a 30 or 60 day waiting period. So by then, you know, once I well, my plan is get Miley running first, then I can do the upgrade after that. So this is one of the project I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna cut this off and face it the other way around. Okay? Well, that's just about it for today's vlog, and I know it's not much, but I'm making a progress, you know, little by little. And I ordered some let me show you some the parts that I ordered that came in. It's another K20, was for RSX 06 to 11, I think, hybrid racing shifter. So this time I'm gonna try to put it on there. Minimal trimming of the panel. That is the goal. I think it's doable. I did it on my Accord, so I think if there is any trimming involved, it'll be minimal. I just don't like this thing sticking out so much, or you know, the cable. So that's the plan, and this is what I'm gonna use, just like Snow White. All right. Okay. And that's going to be combined with the hybrid racing cable, and also the K2H or F bracket, transmission bracket. Alright guys, I think it should be good. Yeah, I don't see any, it looks like it penetrated inside. If there is, I'm just gonna keep dabbing some aluminum filler on there. But I think I'm okay. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Alright, bye everyone. I'll give it a few more minutes here, a few seconds or so. But I don't see any sign. But it looks like I'm good. So it looks like I'm good. Yeah, I don't see any leak. Right on. Thanks guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next episode. Yeah.